Hi, I'm Mike Deneau with Coast Copier. Coast Copier service is family owned and operated since 1978, providing fast, reliable service to satisfied customers around Southern California. Now, Coast Copier has been selling office equipment and providing service for over 33 years. Founder Steve McGinnis of Coast Copier has been a leader in offering a new and pre-owned copiers, printers, faxes, and document management solutions to a wide variety of businesses, large and small. Now, the core of our business is to combine leading-edge technology and office equipment with excellence in customer experience to ensure that you have a trusted place for your ongoing office equipment solutions. You can choose from the most trusted and well-known brands. Coast Copier is your best all-in-one solution. Give us a call today, 562-595-6530. Visit our website, coastcopier.net.